Hi guys, my name is Martin. I am the head of a marketing and sales department for a company called FME. Our company deals with distributing medical equipments for hospitals and also medicines to the pharmacies. Now, our company has come up with a new idea to provide a new type of a service line. As you all know that in this generation, most of the services which are provided are becoming digital. So, our company also thought that why not, bring digitalization in medical field. So our company is trying to introduce digitalization in medical field. So what I would like to do is I'm going to take you all to an individual's life and show you how he used to deal with medical scenarios, three kind of service providers which he used to manually do, and then our company where FME tries to provide digitalization in all these three fields where instead of making it manual, trying to make it digital. So the three different fields where the services we are trying to provide and where the individual is trying to do manually is initial stage where he has to go to the hospital and consult the doctor.
The traditional way of consulting a doctor is time consuming, as the doctor would be busy with consulting other patients, and you would have to spend the day for consulting and excuse yourself from other commitments made for the day. The second service provider is a pharmacist, to whom Mr. Fawaz has to go next after consulting with the doctor, where Mr. Fawaz has to carry his prescription from the doctor to purchase the required medicines. The next service provider is the laboratories that Mr. Fawaz will have to visit to give his test samples to the labs for testing. He will then have to wait for the results, which might take few days depending on the type of test he is doing. and after a day or two, he will have to visit the lab again to collect his report.
reports. So you can see that all these places he has to go to the service providers to get the service done. So now let us see a different way of approaching these three scenarios where all these three services are provided to him at his home, at his doorstep. So it is more easier for him, more convenient for him, as he's a bachelor, he doesn't have a support, so he has to do all of the things by his own. So by doing this, it becomes much more easier. As I told you, I am head of the marketing and sales department. We do lots of online and other types of marketing strategies. Now what I would like to talk in this video is how we try to do marketing through online. We also do manual marketing methods, like we supply medical equipment for all these hospitals. So we have contacts with these hospitals and doctors. So what we do is we contact directly with these doctors and ask them to suggest to their patients, their clients, that regarding our product and our services, so that when the doctors say it, it's more trustworthy. So we also do lots of other manual marketing strategies. But right now I would like to concentrate on the digital marketing side, which we do. So we will show you the three types of digital marketing which we use, so that the patient is getting into our service line and realize the opportunity of our service, and then
Fawaz finds about FME through social media and television advertisements. Once he is aware about the service, he carries out his first order of medicines through FME, which is delivered to him within a span of 2 hours. Once he makes his first purchase, further events or offers will be notified to him via email, SMS, etc., through which he discovers about FME labs and places an order for the tests he requires. Further which, FME labs contacts him to fix an appointment for sample collection according to his convenient time and location. A certified FME professional arrives for sample collection at the specified time and location. Within 48 hours of sample collection, the report will be delivered.
So these are the three areas where we have brought in some digitalization in the field of medical. So I hope many of them, again, who are in require of these medicines, you will understand the value of our digitalization in medical field, how helpful it is to an individual, and then try to use our product. Thank you.
കൊടികയറുന്ന പൂരമായി പൊടി പറത്തിയൊരോളമായി ചുടയുടെ പെരും പണമെടുത്തൊരു ചെറുപടയുടെ വരവിത തകിലടിച്ചൊരു മുകിലപാടി നഗര മുകളിൽ പങ്കിടങ്ങൾ കുരമയായി കുഴലുമായി കൊടുമുടി കൊടുക്കൽ ചെങ്കിൽ ചെങ്കും ചേർത്തും കൊണ്ടേ വീറും നെറ്റിയിട മതയാന സൊമ്പില്ലുകളിടും പലചാരം സാട്ടും പിള്ളാരികൾ ഇവരുമായി എതിരിടാൻ കുതി 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 തടയിട്ട് പാടാറ് യാറ് 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 യാറടാ കൊടികയറുന്ന പൂരമായി പൊടി പറത്തിയൊരോളമായി ചുടയുടെ പെരും പണമെടുത്തൊരു ചെറുപടയുടെ ഭരവിത തകിലടിച്ചൊരു മുകിലപാടി നഗര മുകളിൽ പങ്കിടങ്ങൾ